Hello students, today we are going to learn about the least common multiple. Commonly known as LCM. So what do we have to do is there is an activity which I want you to do. You have to write as many multiples of 4 that you can write in the next 2 minutes. So let's start. So children, we have written the multiples of 4 as many as we could write in 2 minutes. Now the next task is to write the multiples of 9 in the next 2 minutes. So let's start. Time's up. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find out the numbers, the multiples which are coming in both the lists, and we are going to shake them. Just let's see the numbers once. Let's see the multiples of 4 and just see if you can see some number which is coming in both the lists. I can see 36 coming. I hope you can also see. Let us see if there is any other number coming up in both. I can see 72. See any other number which is coming in both the lists? I can see 108. Now I have developed some sense that I have to see only the even numbers in the multiples of 9, because all multiples of 4 I can see they are even. So the multiples I have to check only the even multiples of 9. Is 126 coming? No. Coming in the other list? No. Is 144 coming? Yes, it's coming. So I've shaded it. Is 162 coming in the multiples of 4? No, 164 is coming. Is 180 coming? Oh yes, 180 is there. It's really fun finding numbers which are common in both the lists. Is 198 coming in the blue list? No. Is 216 coming? In that, we have written only till 200. So we have written, I could only write till 200. So let's see what are the common numbers which are coming in both the lists. So the first number that I can see is 36. Then we have 72. Then we have 108. Then we have I've written all, na? Yes, 180. Then we have, after 180 there is none. So because we have not written, but this list is going to continue. Okay, now I want you to look at these numbers and think about these numbers. Is there anything which is, can you predict the next number in this series? Just give the video a pause and think about it. Okay, now I'll tell you. If there is, see, if I add 36, I get the next number. So the next number which I'll get is by adding 36 only, and it's going to be 216. So that means all these numbers are multiples of 36, and also all these numbers are common multiples. So these numbers are common multiples of 9 and 4. And which is the smallest from where we are starting? Yes, it is 36. So what is 36? Because 36 is the smallest common multiple or the least common multiple. So we say, so it is, we can say LCM, because it is an abbreviation of least common multiple. LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. So it is the lowest common multiple. And what is the next common multiple? It is 72. Next 108. Still next 144, 180, 216. Keep on adding 36 and you will get the next common multiple of 9 and 4. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. And now I am not going to leave you like this. I am going to give you a challenge. The challenge is, so thanks for watching.